What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a full face of makeup. All these products are relatively cheap and they're all from the drugstore. However, my boyfriend will be doing the voiceover for today.
Yo, I'm the big man this. Big up mans like Gilly, big up Seymour, big up Nyrel, Mikey, look man, Nate, Wagwan, Frankie, Wagwan my boss.
Hey, stop playing. If we're gonna do it, do it.
Don't worry yourself, me have it.
See y'all when it's over.
Alright, look on me baby. Nice and cute. Take the thing on the tube, man. You're gonna need it. Take the brush. You don't know where they're on it, but take the brush. You have to have it. Alright. Bounce it off of your face. Alright, babes. Yo, man, you poke out the eye, man. Alright, get the next side. You don't want to feel about panda. Make sure you get everything. See? Yo, you can poke out the eye for truth, man. Yo. Oh, wait, yo. Yeah, get the forehead too. Alright, yes, bend it up. Yo, you really are gonna poke out the eye, you know, man. No poke out the eye, yo. Come in, I call 911 for you, see? Alright. Yo, make sure you get the neck too, dog. You don't want to have a brown face and a yellow neck, see? How about that? Crayon? Yo, babes, you never tell me from Wakanda, you know? Have a queen. Yeah, they are my African queen. Alright, so poke up your face with the thing. Yo, how you make so much of that? Poke at that. Alright. Peace out. Yeah. Alright. Yo, how about that egg? Alright. So rub the thing in your face. Yeah. Have to make your face well bronze up, dog. How about that? More that on it. Pat it. I have to mix it up. Yo, this why you take so long in the bathroom. Yo, I know me. I wonder why me can't get the girl to do nothing pantan. Yo. Alright. Why this is a really a work of art, yo. Mixing the forehead. Alright. Yo, you get headache if you keep tap your face like that, you know. Why? Alright. Yo, you must need Advil after this, man. All that tap, yeah. Think I move fast though. Alright, how about this? Alright. A big marker. Drop on your face. Alright. And next brush. How much brush you have, man? Alright. Mix it. Alright. Nice little cheekbones. Maybe it's cute, you know, man. Alright, yes. And next brush. Yo, how much brush you have? Yo, for real. Alright. Drop on your nose. Brush. Alright. Yo, me really feel like I go nick your eye and me don't want that. The baby cute. How about that? Butter. Oh, buttercup. All that. The egg again. Yo. Put gold on your face. Alright. Yo, that look like it's dirty. Keep on top of your face, man. Wow, yo, this is some hard work, man. Why? Alright, boom. Baby, well, good. Favorite chicken sandwich from Popeyes, yo. Yo, you taste that yet? Yo, all they want is little brown sauce and it's good, man. Alright. Babes, you know you're really cute. Favorite oxtail gravy pan white rice, you know. Yo, man, you push it in your nose, you know, man. Why? Yo, this is really a lot of work, you know. Yo, so for the woman them, let me ask you something. Every time you go out, you have to do this. You know, say we are wait for you for God dinner and you just in your face a paint and a paint and a paint and a paint. Like, yo, come on, man. Yo, next time we have to go somewhere, yo, me a bust in our bathroom and say, yo, come on, man. Why? Tired of this, man. Anyway. Me don't know what. Yo, what that? Me don't know, but yo, you need it. What? Yo, you really are gonna joke out your eye, man. Cheese and peas. Yo, that looks dangerous, man. See, I feel funny. Yo, suppose you're sweating and running, and it just running in your eye. Then what? You're still a pain. Yo! Boy. Yo, you girls is crazy, man. What that? Yo, what that, man? Is that a line? No, serious. Why you draw a line, but alright, they look good still, so me not bother with it. Yo. Why? Alright, so she'll draw. She'll paint it. Yes, dry it off. Yes. Come for the next side. Yo, you must done after this car. You're beautiful. You can't do much more than that, you know. Yo, man, you joke out your eye, man. Serious. What this name? Eyeliner? Eye black? What that? You have to paint it. Make sure you paint the corner, you know, man. Yes, babes. Yes. Love you too. Yes, me baby. Yes. Show them. Yes, dirty wine. Yes. Alright. Why? So you have more for doing, eh? Yo. Me? If me a woman, me can't do this, cause me don't want to poke out me, you know. I had to curl up the lash them. Why? What that, man? Yo, you see them lash there? Yo, woman, let me tell you something. Yo, sometimes I walk around and the lash there on the table or something, yo, me think I caterpillar, you know. Think a bug, I want to step on it. Then me look and say, oh, a eyelash. Alright. Yo, that look tricky. Alright. Yes. Careful with it. Lash them nice and long. You blink your eye and fly away, you know, man? Yes, babes. Come with babes pretty and cute. How about this? And next brush, yo. How much brush you have? Why? Alright. How about that? Brown skin girl. Alright. Put more brown on your face. Yo. One thing about makeup, yo. You put it on and here's the next person now. You wake up one way and you walk out the door and you don't even know who you is. Alright, more upon your nose like Rudolph. I want that lipstick. Chopstick that. Oh, lip gloss. Alright. Give me a kiss, babes. Alright. Yes, make sure you have it on your lips. You know, like that dry lip, girl. See? Fire for that. How about this? More paint. Oh, more lip gloss. Alright. Why your lips then? Pink. Lips nice and moist and soft. Alright. Alright, what is? That then I do not know what that. Oh, pencil? What that, man? Alright. Yo, make sure you subscribe to my Bobby channel. See me? Alright, spray. Where I spray? Why? You get it in the eye. Yeah, me know say it's dangerous, you know. Alright, water. Alright, make sure you dry up on the face. Fan it. Yes. Catch a little breeze. Why you put more eyelash on? What that, man? Careful. Why? Look at the baby! Why? The babes that. Baby, are you that? Why? All the girl them want to watch. If you want cute and beautiful, do what she done on the video. Alright? Alright. Make sure you give the video a like. Alright? Look more.